In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store banner to your Sellfy store. This process is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your online storefront and create a more engaging experience for your customers. Let's dive right into the details to ensure you can follow along smoothly and apply these changes with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Sellfy account. Once you're in, navigate to your Sellfy dashboard. On the sidebar, you'll find several options. Look for the Store Settings section. From there, you'll want to go to Customization, and finally, click on Customize Store. This takes you to the area where you can start working on adding your store banner. Once you're in the Store Customizer, you'll see a left menu listing different pages such as Home, Product, and Category, among others. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the home page, but remember, you have the flexibility to choose another page if that's where you need the banner. Selecting your page is crucial because it's the first thing your visitors will see when they enter that section of your store. Now, it's time to add a hero block. This is a module that supports a large image along with optional title and subtitle text, making it perfect for your banner needs. To do this, click on plus Add Module while you're still viewing the home page. You'll be presented with a list of modules and you'll want to select the hero block. Alternatively, if you're looking for more customization, you might consider a text panel module with a background image. Next, you're going to upload your banner image in the hero block settings. It's important to choose an image that is high resolution and wide enough to cover the header area nicely. This ensures a professional look on your site. You'll also have the option to configure how your image displays. Options like Cover All, Repeated Pattern, or adjusting the background positioning can help make sure your banner looks great across all devices, whether on a desktop or mobile screen. Once that's done, don't forget to adjust the module settings. If you wish, you can add overlay text or a subtitle over your image. Consider the alignment too. You can set it to center, left, or right, depending on the aesthetic you're going for. Additionally, if your hero block supports it, consider whether you'd like the banner to be clickable by adding a button that can direct your visitors to other parts of your site or promotional pages. Finally, it's time to preview your work. Check out how your banner looks, not just on a desktop view, but on mobile devices as well, to ensure it's consistent and appealing on all platforms. If everything looks just right and you're satisfied with the outcome, click Publish to make your changes go live and have your new banner displayed to the world. And that's it. You've successfully added a banner to your Sellfy store. This small enhancement can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your store, drawing in potential customers and giving your storefront a more polished and personalized touch.